Hi my friends, welcome to Maverick Channel. Today we will be talking about the newly released Mavic Air 2. Yes. We will be discussing some new features or the new features that it has, and also we will be talking about some advantages and limitations of this newly released drone. Firstly, it is shaped more like a Mavic 2 rather than the original Mavic Air, which was kind of a surprise to me. And also it comes with a 48 megapixel camera, which is very good for taking videos, topped up with a 1/2 inch sensor, which will record at 240 frames per second at 1080p and 60 frames per second at 4K. You can also record at 240 frames per second, and it also has HDR capability. It has a maximum flight time of 34 minutes, which is a new record for the Mavic Air series. It also has obstacle avoidance, even though it doesn't come with an upward or sideways sensors. I believe this is still a great feature that this new drone has. It comes with only 8 gigabytes of internal storage, which I think it's a little bit on the downside. At least I was expecting 32. It is compatible only with the DJI Fly app and not with the DJI Go 4 app. Also, the ADS-B feature, that is the Airsense feature, comes only for models that are to be sold in the US and not elsewhere. It weighs 570 grams, which means it is required to register this drone with FAA before flying in the USA. And also, its phone holder is located at the top of the remote control as opposed to at the bottom in the earlier model. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you did enjoy it. Please subscribe, leave a comment below, and see you on the next one. Thank you.